You are onto Lekki Prime Channel and I am Ahmed Kags. The headlines. The Vice President Shettima outlines infrastructure plan to end banditry. 178,000 firearms vanish into thin air. Senate demands answers. Federal government slashes ministers' imprest to 700,000 naira. Now the news in details. The Vice President Kashim Shettima stated that an endless war of attrition cannot permanently solve northern Nigerian security crisis, asserting that military force must be paired with social-economic solutions. Reporting live today, he said that debunking various social media claims alleging the Vice President boasted he could stop banditry and herdsmen conflicts with a single $1 billion budget injection. Official briefings clarified that these narratives entirely misrepresent the Tinubu administration's actual non-kinetic strategy. Known for the Polako initiative, instead of an arbitrary multi-billion-dollar payout, the federal government originally allocated 50 billion naira, roughly 30 to 35 million US dollars, to address the report causes of regional instability like poverty and climate displacement. This ongoing resettlement program focuses on building thousands of homes, clinics, schools, and solar-powered ranches across 7 heavily impacted frontline states, including Kaduna, Zaria, Zamfara, and Benue, to dismantle the economic initiative driving kidnapping and cattle rustling rings. In the current update, this infrastructure blueprint runs alongside active military campaigns boosted by a recent National Economic Council approval of 100 billion naira to upgrade tactical security training facilities nationwide, proving that structured regional rehabilitations remains the state's house true priority. The Nigerian Senate Public Account Committee launched a formal investigation into the disappearance of 178,459 firearms from the Nigerian Police Force inventory. Based on details arising from the Auditor-General's report, the missing couch includes 88,078 AK-47 rifles and an additional 3,907 assorted rifles and pistols unaccounted for across various police formations nationwide. During an intensive legislative hearing, lawmakers strongly criticized the leadership of the Nigerian police force, warning that these weapons have likely fallen into the hands of terrorists, bandits, and other criminal elements, directly fueling the nation's severe security crisis. While police representatives argued that some weapons were lost during violent raids or when officers were killed in the line of duty, Senate data revealed a stark discrepancy showing that only 15 missing firearms could be officially tied to such casualties. Senators have firmly rejected vague excuses, pointing out suspected internal corruption, including allegations of rogue officers selling department weapons to criminals, and demanding that the police fully audit their armories, identify the culpable officers, and publicly prosecute them. In the month of June 2026, the Senate has mandated the Inspector-General of Police to provide a comprehensive tracking report and an exhaustive breakdown of the missing inventory to ensure national accountability. The federal government of Nigeria has drastically reduced the maximum monthly imprint for ministers to 700,000 naira as part of an aggressive fiscal discipline and cost-cutting drive. According to Federal Treasury circular signed by Accountant General of the Federation, Shemisadin Ogunjemi, The new spending caps restricts permanent secretaries and directors general to 500,000 naira, directors to 300,000, and heads of states formation to 100,000 naira. To eliminate financial leakages, the government has restricted standing interest reimbursement to once a quarter with a strict maximum of 2 under exceptional circumstances. Furthermore, all local procurements exceeding 1 million naira are prohibited or being funded through cash advances and must strictly follow the Public Procurement Act's formal contract processes. Impress holders are now mandated to maintain dedicated bank accounts and submit monthly spending retirement, with the Treasury Inspectorate Department authorized to conduct or announce field audits to ensure strict compliance. Now recap on the airlines. The Vice President Shettima outlines a infrastructure plan to end banditry. 178,000 firearms vanish into thin air, Senate demands answers. Federal government slashes ministers' interests to 700,000 naira. Keep watching the Lekki Prime channel and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our other social media platforms. I am Ahmed Kaz.